Hello people, this is Jasneet Singh aka Innovative Coder from Innovative Coder Workstation, and today I'm going to talk about a very basic question which most of the people come to me, approach me on my Instagram page, and like these all are the beginners. In my term I call them noobs, newbies. So what they ask is, the basic question they put up is, how do we start? How do we start with coding? How do we start with programming and stuff? And see, I will tell you what I have been through, and I will tell you on the basis of that only. So one thing which I tell to all of the people who come to me, I say start with data structures. Start with the basic crux of programming, which is data structures. Start with that in any language, either in C++, Java or Python. Python I do not recommend. I know Python is easy, syntax is easy, definitely fine, but Python doesn't deal with that much minuteness of the coding language. So go with either C++ or Java, anything you can prefer. Then you should start with, after completing your data structures, solving typical questions, solving like sorting, searching, array search, trees, recursion, getting all done. Now you are ready to step into development. Now go into either Android, web development, blockchain, machine learning, in whichever field you want to go, either in hacking or like cybersecurity stuff. In any field you want to go, just go it, dive into it, dive deep into it, and then there is a long way ahead. So the basic step is data structures. You need to get hold of that thing, and that is what I suggest these people. I advise them. This is the main crux of what all programming is, because even if you are doing web development on the backend side, you need to handle data. Like, you need to structure the data at every step. At every step. So you need that thing, right? That's all for this video. If you like the content, then hit the like button. Comment down if you have any of your query, and what should be the topic of my next video. Do tell us, and subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram. I put a great content over there. Thank you.